Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Our reset will delete all the information stored on your device. Please make sure to back up your data before you proceed. The device is currently locked. Alright, let's begin. Press and hold the volume down and the power buttons to force restart the device. Press and hold the volume down and the power buttons to force restart the device. As soon as the device powers down, press and hold the volume up and power buttons until the Android recovery screen appears. Then release all buttons. From the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Use the volume up-down keys to highlight and the power button to select. Wipe data completed. Now we need to wipe the cache partition as well. Use the volume up-down keys to highlight and the power button to select. Select Reboot System now. Allow several minutes for the hard reset process to complete. Set up all the initial steps to complete the setup wizard. If your device is Google locked, you may check video description for the FRP bypass videos. That's it. The device is now unlocked. You can now set up your on-screen lock.